Tomatillia di azu America University lia kashmede dinde chatu de gabstachons azu kuru gi gegenamada andana shi lulu namzo jeb de gabstachon azu bebe lo sueche chamlo le tshile shuayin.
First of all, I would like to say that I'm very happy to be able to come to the Ambedkar University this afternoon. And I'm also delighted to be able to meet all of you members of the faculty as well as all of the students. And so I would like to follow the Tibetan tradition of wishing you all, first of all, Tashi Didek, or good fortune.
Tangye kashre da diri kanishuro da di ngazu kena maje konlia ngazu di gegen number so da nyamdo kamyor kyusha ko chumba didu sane en konan sungo de nanche ji kashe ji jizo tseri tol keba yimba an kashe semkam rigbe tol keba yimba ya kashe ya semkam rigbe tone ji ya therapy delia keba yimba da riganga do tang aran ru jimina deske monetary purpose of educated get chair mane labje nan ru yo mane educated get chair mane inji de tebja ma do singe mane 제자 드링에 대해 기교 배주시고 하는 제자 내 기난 술이야 투베스 망부지 가수르지 장수 knowledge나 매번 망부지에 제대로 가라 하고 싶다 인기를 섬정에 제자 아들 this 심 this 저거도 this 가수르 nervous 지도
Before coming here and meeting all of you, we had a little bit of conversation with some of the faculty members. And among them, there are some who are very knowledgeable about sociology, some about psychology and therapy and so forth. And actually, I haven't really had any formal education of that sort, and my English is really rather poor. And so for that reason, I have to have a translator this afternoon. And I also think that it will be difficult for me to say anything that you do not already know. So for all of these reasons, I have to admit that I'm actually a little bit nervous to speak to you all.
Understand. Penanga ngadu simina tada kontu ngode namna sire kashurada ngare mise kashurada normal simple samare human being of this yinada lo dung kablia ane kamaba Munzichen, Takamabe search Karwa Chinge, party this Azupayu Lyonche, Azupayu Staki, Kaswa, Lungu, Rubu Yosre. And Kusu Yondustane, energy, and Yonche, and Yapamas Tuse, and Jema, and John Kamabe, Kaswa, and Sires as in the Kuzuki Shebre, Tidusana Gamba Sade. Country no idea, Kega Soske Yomare, and the next best is Susu Pamada Kate, Susu Payuda Kate, Gombena intensive Kashroda, Buddhist education, that everything, to say Debre, Bustane, and the church in the Shavina, the Kashroda, very traditional, that the Kuj in Anolia. Salon chung de are some use. Very traditional. Kuyujinam salon chung de are some tools. Traditional
As was mentioned in the introduction, I'm not really anyone particularly special. I'm just an ordinary human being. But when I was 7 years old, they came and identified me as the Karmapa. There was a search party that went looking for the reincarnation of the Karmapa. They came to my homeland, which is a very remote and isolated region. And they came, they met my parents, and then they told me, you are the reincarnation of the Karmapa. Now at that point, I had absolutely no idea, no conception of what a Karmapa was. I had no feeling for it. But in any case, at that point, I was gradually separated from my parents. I was separated from my homeland, and I was brought to a monastery where I received a very traditional Buddhist education. And so if we look at it from one perspective, I received an extremely traditional Buddhist education, and I was raised in a very traditional Buddhist environment, even though I was born in the 21st century.
Today the traditional salon chung ya be inzang ya del den en ji dürim ni shi be ne dan de ya de su sa bu chi de su ji dan kyang zu modern educated so da men zhe de su sa bu chi de ji xian na ga shui xian de men zhe bu chi da de ji chung yor be slan da ji yor es lam na ndi bu bu chi wa ji yor something years.
So if we think about it, actually, with this traditional background and this traditional education, perhaps it gave me a different way of looking at the situation of this 21st century, a different situation from people such as yourselves who have had a modern education. So I think if you were to say that I have a different way of looking at it, it probably would, or could have had a different way of looking at it. There would be nothing wrong in saying that.
The knowledge, tonish, mabuchi shet woman the experience tone, and kashi mabusta shumi, Sakashi shubina, something you think so the treasure of the interdependent love summer the lam document Tangarat Rastom Chache topic.
Thus, what I would like to say to you this afternoon is not really a question of knowledge so much as a question of a little bit of experience. Not a lot, I don't want to say too much, just a little bit, but I would like to say a little bit about this. And so the topic that I would like to speak with you about is interdependence.
And love.
And love.
You know, I would actually the loves this kind of energy country for the more love. I have no experience. That you mean a love set. Chidang, Chiyong, and Atsuji, Zawasar, Labaduchi, Chamninjisa, loving kindness, the teeth on a sharewoman or something. In a dinner, someone do you joy.
But one thing you all have to know is that when I talk about love here, I'm not talking about romantic love with men and women or anything like that, because I have no experience in that area. So rather, when I talk about love, I want to talk more generally about affection and about the loving kindness and affection, that sort of loving kindness. And I hope that everything will be included within that.
아주 남배게 다 남배 최세만로 남배 최디 에너지 강하게 파매기 the wisdom ancient Indian wisdom 르체 추루 지보면 봐. 다 파매기 가셔다 로르 차대요. 제가 네 안소 아주 배워서래 계신분들라 엔지 아주 가와서 리미네야 계신분들 섬정이에 안에 디나로래 아주 딘중 다와서지 남배 나로래 딘중 다와서 시가래 딘중 다와디 nghe nam ju khasin san tin jung tawa sa de not just the view tawa chi bo mai ba the value ndo chi jin thang ndo chi nim ba chi le ang ji shu yes
Now, our Buddha Dharma is actually, it's an ancient Indian wisdom. It's not just that it's wisdom, it's also an ancient Indian tradition, an ancient Indian wisdom that that we Tibetans consider very important, and that I think is also very important in India as well. It's not just a religion; it's an ancient ancestral Indian wisdom. And within Buddhism, we have a view that we call interdependence. And when we talk about this, what I usually think actually is that interdependence is not just a view or a belief. It's actually also something that has value.
Bena ngazu samle abu sta mi mina. Namgyu ngazu ki samdong da no di mystic samar ben dengzin da da xian yao separate samar be da se du sa ne chu tu bu de ji rang wang wa de ji zu yue de ji xian se du sa ne chu tu rang wang ba ji yue de ji a zhou de yue de ji ti ni bu lu ya yang ta xian bu yue de ji a zhu tin de chen de yao sim ju qian
Now, the way we normally think about things is actually a slightly mistaken way of thinking. We have a view that what we call clinging to ourselves. We think that there is a me, a self, and that there are others. And we think that this me or ourselves is something that is autonomous and in control. We think that others are autonomous and in control. And the feeling that we have is that there is a great distance between ourselves and others.
Even when you need to some time, and Rang the Shen said the Nazuk mind somewhere. Some get Namdo some Remad, when you need to Tolia Kashre, Tinini, separate, Samban Shinchi, Sheo Mane. Karesana Benanga Suki some stamina, top dev stamina, Banga Suji, Kuloch Cabinada, Samaj Savinandra, and Tanaji Uch Tambi Tana Nazuji existing Koran so deva Koran and Shenjilia Dutch. Benajanga Lunia, Shenjila Dutch to be in some. Ti gyun sen dene ta nga shibu chi yin chi nga be ta te ba chi xian de xian ge dan me be nga sa chi rang wa ru chi sa ba de ngoi ni zu ta le ya da da de yo ma de sam zhe mi.
But if we look at how things actually are, this idea of me is nothing more than an idea or a thought that we have in our minds. It really isn't how it is in the way things actually are. We are not as separate as we think of ourselves as being. For example, one easy way we can think about it is that all of our clothes, all of our food, even the air that we breathe depends upon others. And so it's like everything in our existence, our whole lives depends upon other beings. even our bodies are made up or depend upon other beings. And so for that reason, when we think that I'm me, I'm great, I'm separate, I'm different from other people, then that way of thinking does not really match how things truly are.
드레이 주산에 가르쳐 왔으나 나주기 진짜가 등진기 쿠란 가르쳐지 수정강으로 디나로래 아주 수주샤베 인주산에 애는 나주기 가르쳐 왜 니수도를 커넥트 되나 소수기 되나 알아도 지면서나 되나 소수 뭐시에버부당 소수 파마르지 가시에질 마다 베기 대마임베 outside world이야 아주 제바 체신겨마데 제바 매버도 되게 손아용디야래 드링주스탄에 지비지 아주기 loving kind 세과에 좀진 가라서나 아주 진짜겠다 등진기 다랑어 수투바 다 디지보 자신부 인삼 진대야디 가서 셴버도 봐 르동고나데스 진짜 르다토 이미나 엔 신에 점불링 오연이 지금 점불링 제가 소소 제가 차도를 성도 셴마도 아주 점불링 illusion 소소기 매라 제샤인데 illusion 근데 지금 남아도베 오연이 지금 점불링이야 제가 차도요 말의 성도
So what is it that we need to do? Well, it's as if we are imprisoned in the jail of clinging to ourselves. And in the way things actually are, we are not really able to connect. Other than with maybe our parents or a few people whom we know, we aren't able to make a connection with anyone else or anywhere else in the world. And we do not know how to make such a connection. And so the reason why we talk about loving kindness or compassion is that the reason we talk about this is that we need to give up all of our attachment and all of our clinging to the idea of there being a self that is autonomous and truly existent, and the idea that we cling to a self. Once we have given that thought up, then only at that point will we truly be able to make a connection with the world. Otherwise, if we do not do that, we will not truly be able to connect.
드레이주산에 두릅 니슈저지 베기 나로랴 information error 두릅지미 디나로랴 아주 펜주 점부림바 참으로 펜주지기질랴 펜역 제바 사무지 예버디 세버던 투아레스 다 글로벌 빌리지 세난다도 가당 아주 타니어를 침바당 에네 가다 저불린 총도 침베 천하직 제여아레 대규네 아주 큰지시지 펜역은 제바 큰지스 쪽도 대하고 알아 이리 주산 대균선 때네 에네 나사디에 생기 차세지 생사디 나로레 수수이네 디 차세르지 가서다 수수이 생대야 수수 차세스 딱 한다 빈주지기질이야 되는데 그렇죠 또 차대요래 대주산에 디 균선 때네 에네 아주 가서래 진지지기 랑다 신 예매기 따와서는 장도 야나 랑의 된도 아니 신라 펜베 삼로 동안 야나 신기 된도 신라 펜베 삼로 동안 쓰는 장도 단도나 저 상마로 된다 지구를 차대야래 간다양 다 이제 responsibility 과디 그래서 뒤름 이저집에 나로래야 디 공고 친구인데 버지 세브 차용도 알아 삼통이
And so now in the 21st century, we are in an information age, and it's as if we all in the world are growing closer to each other. We all have stronger connections where we affect each other. This is what we now call a global village, and everyone is getting closer. So how is it that we can create connections where we can affect each other? Well, we can see that we ourselves are actually a part of the other. We can see that others are a part of ourselves. They are an aspect of ourselves. And then when we see in that way, we see that we all are dependent upon one another. We're mutually dependent. And so for that reason, we can call this a view or an understanding that ourselves and others are indivisible. Or we could say that in order for our own sake, we need to benefit others. We can say that for others' sake, we need to benefit others. Actually, all of these come down to the same thing. And so I think that now here in the 21st century, this is a great task or a great responsibility for all of us.
소수 랑왕으로 챤 버르보 양 지 진짜 랑왕에 진단을 취해제 근데 지금 통하는 자와디 제외입니다 다디 selfish 자와지마도베 문에 전에 자와양 답을 제도야 돼 갈라캄스타레 송도스 녜삼블레야 자와양 답을 제거비나 소수 르니 예도 주광 invisible. Yana ji sosu rani xian di chaxie su kyo che bimina. An xian ina di sosu rani me ba cha ba su ma di yimina. Ka shui understand the proper understand ka shui understand ding sa bu yue be twa ne an pin zu de ba che bimina. An xin ne zawa yang ta ba de tu le san be dan ye du si ji xi de yu.
And so I think it is similar with love and affection. If we think of love in a way that we ourselves are independent and in control, we think that the other is also independent and in control. If we hold it in this way, then I think that our love will be a selfish type of love. It would be difficult to have true love come out of this sort of a view. And so if we want to have a true sort of love, then we need to have a love where we ourselves become indivisible. Of course, where we ourselves become invisible. Not to say that we disappear, but rather where we see that we have a proper understanding that we are actually a part of the other. And so if we have that proper understanding, then I think we will see that we are interlinked and connected in that way. And only at that point will we be able to have true love.
Adri Dusan budget native Chingian Shana Jumeros Mudus, Chichana Council. Yes, Marshevele, Council to Adi Kashre Yagat and Relay, you get some do Council to Alembina. And yeah, then count to the shoes.
So that is all I would like to say for the moment, because I think that actually the questions that you all ask will probably be much more interesting than what I have to say. And so for that reason, please, if you have any questions, do ask.
Maybe you say something. You want to say something? But they don't have any.
They will have. They'll take place a while.
They don't need Mac.
They don't need.
Can I ask you a question? Is a very young person in this crowd?
Yeah, sure,
Yes.
please. Do you want the mic?
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much. Since large number of us are from psychology, we take a special interest in childhood and the child within us. So since one of your first statements was about you being chosen as a 7-year-old child, with an equal measure of fame and responsibility coming on you as the next Karmapa, and If you could share with us a few experiences where the selfish in the child and the selfless as the future leader. If you could share experiences of what this child went through, I think many young people will be mobilized to dream of a new way of looking at fame and responsibility coming together.
Fame and responsibility. I want some easy questions. Maybe I just give easy answer. Okay, I will try. 지당 디나리아 녜치 가르쳐야요사나. 캐나사블리아 베나 가르쳐고르사나. 베나 아춘춘 거기다 부 거리아 여디 시라랑 직데스 가르에 가르에 직 spiritual someone this to an stara media ta kama bacha san training che cha be che le ya energy ka shu te se ka shu ko ngoma de da min ja ya ke shi chin ya le sam ba chi ta yin bin ngarang ki thon su de ga san opposite ngarang chu chu go ki ta nga so ba ti ngone chi ka shu jue ma yin ba da na xin ki knowledge the philosophy ke amar de binia kasra de chona che spiritual chona che benang ye kana to example of shubi mina karayarasana benang alo sumshi kabriya ma zu payulia danga spring danga ma zu pe da drogore industane and khala vegetable de dam de amata 마치 심지행기 프로젝트 영향을 답변하지 바트 가서다 마르다 지 투유의 지자보다 다는 신기 지下的给什么差的要的只要是下个大了呢就是da 고소 심지행인데 가시에 다 지니스들 세고要的这些就是呢我就세당我就被세당으로디 가서 디 카드 받담 전에지 가서 되고 우 바가치 세야도 레라고 추주 제가 쓴 시간에 대두산에는 앞에 천하침 싶으시오 되게 비디비게 이미지로 되게 통연두산에 마수에버지 미니 치만 바서단 미신다 진 주디에나 마도지 라케메브지 참참 구주다 되게 마지리에 두산에 당예지 디 구주 로버를 채워성도 되네 구주 첨부 싶으시 인두산에 ngati tidian roma be che anda kanda dikolia chona chim shipchi oni ji ngara ji kyap tuna samrchi tirijusam tindigo ge ninji senada do love senada do digo chowa de da an chi su ji ka shwe lobjong mang bu che ne ji mang bu che re de ina lobjong ka ji che nyamne ka ji che bi ne a di chung chung di ga ka shwe 소아들이란 잼 미수에 버르지 근데 매버지 이르비지 전화로지 용대도 직대래 아드다디 responsibilities 사디 냐는 뷰 같은 게 산업에나 냐 대바시에 가서 maybe too long
I think what I would like to say in response to this is that probably you all think that I was just a young kid, a young child, and then I was given the name of Karmapa, given training, and then only at that point did I become different, become special, and become the Karmapa in this way. But actually, the way I see it, it's actually the opposite. When I think about how I was when I was little, I had this uncontrived feeling. I didn't know anything about philosophy or Buddhist beliefs or views, but just naturally I had a real interest in spiritual things. Like one thing that I remember when I was 3 or 4 years old, we were nomads, and so as nomads, there were very few vegetables to eat, and we lived off of animal products. We had to live off of butter and milk. We occasionally had to have meat as well. And in order to have meat, then we have to occasionally kill an animal or two. And so in Tibet, the manner in which animals are slaughtered is by choking and asphyxiating them. And when you asphyxiate an animal, it takes a long time for them to die. And I remember seeing this and watching this and having this unbearable feeling as I watched this happen. And I feel like I needed to go and do something to help. I wanted to go and do something to help, but the animals are so large and I was so small, there was no way I could even get near or do anything to help. And so when I think about the quality of compassion, the quality of love that I felt at that time, and then I compare it to the compassion to what comes out of all of my study and all of my practice, no matter how much study or how much training I have done, there's nothing I have felt that even comes anywhere close to what I felt as a small child.
Today, you understand the share by Jimson Karasana. Nga Lord Chunjungalia, nice memories, some of the Taji, Senandan to Yanach Samba Samba Summer, ditching out some of some Jores some 10 years. Today, you understand not at about the Kashre, Chidan Lord Chunjun, Yina, Langan the Chibushi, Susuk, Nubale, Junsu Lebe, Gets hard today. Today, you understand not the ditch Kashre, Pena Kashi, the ditching Pena. Like Jonaji, the Gomba to share your marvesta. Lega Majib say Gombashina. Today, Shane beyond the year. Says something around that the die on some other somebody. Kashre, Penangaraj. Kashre, Lochu say, normal young person, this with 7, so I get this, Suzuki, to see me in Dusane. Tea tall at Tandoni, that pressure on Urushia in Dusane. You know, so the Tanging issue and see the jaggy child memory retrieve in Dusane. Tea Junsen Dene, so Tindigi, Nuber which assembly in Dusane, Jail Tone, Tandoni edge Kashware. Simjin Shinda Ched, which depend on Chevy Mina. That take it is Kashware opportunities number. That lyric Mishenda Susulia, Ravachevtilia, this Kashwaji Shuchember Ziche. That is Jeje, and Mutin Drodi Yares, Kazuba the Drot Women Hamodina, to say, the Zozo, the need to stand a Kartangorson, the day it is Lord Chunjungalia, seed the Vijay, Kashway, Sabian of Jevi in Dusan, Tindre Tone, Kevan Roman or somebody, tended to need Dusan, in the catch which starts years.
So the reason why I am saying this is that I think all of us have these seeds of kindness, these seeds of goodness within all of us. So I'm still relatively young, but I have large responsibility, and I think that this responsibility, it often feels to me as if it's far greater than my skills, far greater than my abilities. And sometimes people say to me, maybe you should resign or something like that. But and sometimes I feel like there's no way I can. I wonder how I will be able to keep it up. And yet there is no way that I would be able to lead the normal life of a normal young person. And so there's a lot of pressure on me all the time. But when I think about these childhood memories, they remind me that there is this capacity within my mind. And so I think to myself, if only I have an opportunity to do something to benefit others, if I have something to help fulfill the hopes of something of someone else. Sometimes I really don't know how long I can keep this up, what I can do, but I feel like I have this seed within me from the time that I am young. from the time that I was young. And so for that reason, this is why I consider this example so extremely important.
Thank you. Maybe somebody. You said.
Hello, thank you for addressing us. I was curious, given your speech on interdependence, the notion of the self is an illusion. Furthermore, any permanent aspect of the self, Atman or soul, no soul. So I'm curious, what gets transmigrated or reincarnated? What's actually going on? I know it's not a simple question, but.
당 얘들 시야디 아주 필로소피가 아즈마다 직지사 디기시오만에 얘들이 가르 정어로서는 아주 넘균 초에 truyền 나노래 아주 미망부지기 시비지기 다 가르쳐다지 수수자침비 수수개침비这안다나시 퍼지다 수수시두스다나 퍼지 가르쳐 미신다르다나 마디어버지 들리지 삼단데 tindi지 요마레스 거마도 지당 그 수수메사데 스고 안에 드레인두산에 디니티스 야와를 쳐와디 가르사나 디니 받을야 야와 첨부를 지어서는 에 드레인두산에 디지그레 다나신기 겨왕을 시작해 시두산다 디 아니 녀로 잡으러 신다지레 겨왕을 지고 계시한디 아주 넘시기 균 사마르베 남식이 균이 직진라 계시가 알았어. 드니두산 대단한데디 아주 디시아데 디스 카르 찬주어레. 단단 예시아데 가라사나 아주 남균기 다 selfish, very selfish 데베 디지기 소수 삼바 능신지기 아주 아마르 베는 아주 디 가르. 미션 베는 아주 칼라르지 딘산베 아주 둘러 beneficial to law can be sort of me to law can be to law song it azu 통유 야마는 washing 야마레 이내야 아주 규제 and kusula affect on the yare ben ninguma di karsadi bangladesh marwe campusare right big building collapse ben bangladesh to limina di karsadi tuloso se campo de matibre 디나 베네지 둘러서 서점망부지 치게 서점이 비기시어 제가 들리는 아줄이야 아주 잡을 좋은데요 드니 인도스탄에 띵 아주 하고도 understand 제고도 사 디시리요 또 소디 그저 사노스 나 요마르사 시엠다
What I'm saying here, what I've been talking about, is not to say, to talk about there being no self or no soul or no Atman, but rather I'm talking here about how it is we actually live our lives and what we see in our lives. The feeling that we have, I'm important, I am a big person, I'm important. I'm not saying that, I'm saying that I'm the center of everything. That's not, we have this feeling that we don't depend upon others. And so that is what I'm talking about. I'm not saying here that there's no me, that there's no individual or me. So this is a distinction that we need to draw. And I think when we talk about it with previous and future lives, with reincarnation, it's a difficult issue to talk about. What we say in Buddhism is that there is a continuum of consciousness that continues from one lifetime to the next time. But that and what I'm speaking about today are a little bit different. So what I'm speaking about is the selfish feeling. There's a me, an individual me. Actually, that me does not exist as we think it does. We're actually all dependent upon others when we think about our food or our clothing. Like with our fashion and all the clothes that we wear, we learn about these, we get these from other people. They all come from other places. And so there's a connection, a continuum. For instance, last year there was the collapse of the factory or the large building in Bangladesh, where there are many clothing factories housed within that. And all of those clothing factories were making clothes for export into foreign countries. And these are the clothes that we wear. And so it's what I'm trying to say is it's important that we recognize that connection that we have and that we understand that connection well.
Thank you.
Yeah, my question is regarding the Free Tibet movement and self-emulation by Tibetans for the cause guided by a belief. How do you see the limits of non-violence ending in so much of violence to one's own self? How do we make sense? How does one make sense?
Tadi siya this kala khabrish to karasana Elia this karora so lodong chadi ta lodong chimbur cheje ta mimang bu de chiyare yidi karjuda kashi ta karjuda ma cheji one ta ma che sam ta kada kuzulia 강에 동해를 주에 내다 되지셔bre 레이두스탄에 다 kuzulia dong chimbur che 아 kuzu지 메사 동가라가 이미냐 지 칸에 지 가서에 시야데 지 집에 된다로 지 딘디지 거기 시에제는 뭐 메사 당지도 총도야래 가시 총도 쓰래 그래서 다디 시야데 깔아 가고 싶샤데요 나 그래서는 고주 메사 당부디 르동치부도 세빈두스탄에 다디 텔레야 지 아주 지 가고를 겨이네 마지부르지 다 이미네티 야구레스 안디 가져다디 accept 해야 돼. 가라 가버지. 초지네. 나들이 배바치 시디 아래 수수에기 다 분단으로 배바치 시디 아래 시스템을 맞춰 버지. 야 초지 남바 상기에 돈을 셔야비나. 나랑 계기 심주 셔야비입니다. 나 대시라랑 가셔야지. accept 해야서 말로 this accept 해야 강해시다. 배는 남배 가셔서나 가셔다. xianliya cawa pangpa tsumdu ma sebe, rangliya cawa pangche beneji kachwe cawa pangpe tuwane susube shivijigi gotub shivij tenche susu luliya dungye shivij tenche gotub shukchenpo tenya tenle binya nambe dis kachwe tenyan jik cawa rubjig mujin ruchiyare teni tani le marungwa teni jigi da livelihood samarwe tani su marungwa livelihood teni rubjig tengwa de kechimri zigare 제가 디토안에 디스직 지금이도라 안가랑 계획이 심 초하나 전화로 드리지 미지 미송부지 메사단 루산에 엔데아지 배바지 인두스탄데 세모아서브지 용도 제장에 several time 다디지 강주 밀류준 부치디 자심의 인상 강주디 순교배하고 제제 엔 대문이비지 특히 신다드야지 제로지스 데네 차니 숨다도 셰야르다 이미는 모티 로디야르 나들이 인도스탄다 시라시라 자스 게임도 이나 나랑 심주로 되듯이 미갸스 메자당도 미갸 파스
This is a very difficult issue to speak about, and because partly being Tibetan, these are Tibetan people who have really dedicated themselves or have given up on everything for the sake of everything. And there are many who have died. There are over 100 who have died. And most of them have encountered some sort of a difficulty, some sort of a problem that has driven them to do this. And so they have given up on themselves, and when they go to the place where they immolate themselves, many of them say that they are doing this for the benefit of all, for the benefit of society. And so in this way, many of them have passed away. And so it's difficult to really say about this, because on the one hand, they're really devoting themselves and dedicating themselves to this. And so if I disagree with them, if I dispute with them, then that is on the one hand not okay. And yet on the other hand, it's not all right for me to just accept it either. And particularly when I see these are Tibetans, these are like my relatives who are doing this, and so it's very difficult. From a Buddhist perspective, it is also extremely difficult to talk about it. Generally, in the way we describe this in Buddhism, it's just as we need to give up violence and give up hostility towards others, we also need to give up violence and hostility towards ourselves. One example is that in the scriptures it says that we should not perform any austerities or difficulties, any austere practices or any extreme practices, because these are extreme practices of harming one's own body, because these are seen as violence against oneself. We often speak about how we need to avoid the two extremes and live our life going down the middle way, avoiding the two extremes. And so in this way, I often, when I have had to speak about this, I've tried to bring this Buddhist understanding and tell people how important their precious human body is, and ask them not to do this. And the few times that I've been asked, 2 or 3 times I have mentioned this, and yet it is difficult. They continue to immolate themselves, and so it doesn't feel like there's a whole lot I can do on this issue.
Tejinder was asking me.
Which one?
Tejinder was asking me.
What? Okay.
You were talking about interdependence and how the self is connected to the other. But in a culture like what I belong to, we already have this notion of dependence. You're defined by your family members, by your parents, and you talked about being absorbed in the self and that being like a jail. But in a way, I can say that one is jailed in the other, because everything about oneself comes from and is defined by the other, and basically that you said about the distinctions need to be distinctions need to be removed. But I'm saying separations need to be created as well. And also, being a woman, one is defined by our father, our brothers, our son, and the self is kind of lost in the way. So I'm saying there's also a need to create a separation rather than to remove the distinctions.
Okay. Debate session and the Hindustan Telia machine the Zonghasa, the Pamir Zonghas Mata, Susugi made up church of summer with that. Bana Hamadi Kachimba, Hamadangazum Javayevan and Singi, Benati Pame Susu Kashwadaji, gave a chair. and similar chair. Did it have no singing? Pame kissing chair, the Minia, and Manguchilia dance, you get Manguchilla dancing as you kissing chair to the mato. And Tangi Sugar singing Bendaji, said and Queda, that he did Chagan to Zulamato, Balea, and Pame, as you kissing chair to Mane. Did you stand the Yuzen Dene, and then Cashway? As you Yuzen the Cadis to Oresana, Pama catch him in the catch him Mares Lagomane. Inea Pama catch him, Yiban Shi, the Yimbi Yunzen, Kadi Banashi, and the suggestion that Zulia, Tene Anzul Debe. Casu Penny and Debe with suggestion that Zulia, Tena Sing as just some tonguachi, some good chequas of Marbe, Takanda Azugi, Kada, the Kingon Rutinalia, Jugu or Madobe, and Azube, Matush and Goma. You do the teaching said Dene. Cashway, Net the Sad Garasana, interdependent in being Za, the Junzel Dene, and Pamatis to catch him Chadi or something. Pamatis to catch him in the catch, true draw, or catch a draw. They catch him in the singing any Shidat Zunia, the Juni, suggestion that Zulimia, Junzet had a Jison to Chadi order. The need to start the Junzel Dene and a separation share there. Interdependent on a separation share or mother beggy, today may be cheche, and I choose the Kashwadaji, separation chat with other Kalahomstar something use.
I think what I would like to say, when I'm talking about interdependence here, I'm not saying that we aren't dependent upon our parents and that we're not dependent upon our family. Of course, our parents are extremely important, and we are connected with them. But just as we are connected and dependent upon our parents, we also, for the same reason, are also connected to everyone else. And it's like with growing up, we grow up because of the situation, because of the causes and conditions around us, that we're dependent upon that. We're dependent upon the food and the clothing, and they come to us through our parents, but we are also dependent upon the other things. So, of course, our parents are important and affect us, but just as we are connected with our parents, and for the same reasons that we are connected to our parents, we are also connected to other sentient beings as well. And we are also in this way dependent upon other beings. And so even if we would think so we have been placed within this mandala, and we need to recognize that we are within this, and we can't just take ourselves out of it. And so when we talk about the interdependence of our lives, then our parents are, of course, important, but it's not that they are solely the important ones. We are also in the same way and for the same reasons dependent upon each other, or upon others as well. And so for that reason, I think when we try to define ourselves as being separate, there is actually no way that we can define ourselves as being separate except through this understanding of interdependence.
Okay.
My question was in response to your idea of true love that you had mentioned about how we need to become invisible and get a proper understanding that we are part of the other. So, as students of human studies, could you just elaborate on 2 ways in which we could be a part of the other to experience true love?
Okay. She make it. This one. Okay. Need more motor. My battery is gone. Okay. Part of other study. 딱 가서 전환직 동식으로 빼나? 빼나 가서다 남기 집에나 가서 인지를 시에는 에 배전을 인지 수위. 빼나 가서 가서래 empathy 미신다 같이 가서래 미신다리아 empathy the sympathy를 해야 되지. How where you come from just that 저보다 understand it 미신다 동심 염계를 자. 이번에 인지세아디 뉴버디 대체요지. 가르사나 수수 understand 지고요 뭐인가. 미신다디 체도 수 dedicated 요지. 디체도 수수기 가져해. 가져해다 brain level somewhere level 나로 understand 요지 좀 맞아. 심게 나네. 어다 그체도 녜지 가지고 지기 인사버를 지다 그게 딱 동에 미버르보들 동에를 제비면 디체 동아라랑 지기 인사버를 지 다 딘디지가 손나지 다 연구어 다데 영어 제비야 가래 연구어서나 오늘 제비나 더 understand it 제비체 버르보들 비게샤 아니 소소 대 예비체제 그러지 니제사 디치부 두고 다들 과다 가르고 그랬으나 소수이미냥 D 레벨스나 D 과서로 될 소수이네 소수이에 붙이지 진짜 그 토안에 간다 소수ren이 다 동예에 심지스나 다도 간다 소수의 자와 체세기 심진 될이야 규브 체제 근데 토안에 아주 인지 제아디 소수 자체미 임비지다 소수 가르고다 emotional part tension with Jimba. Mission that Delia, Gongo Hajeva. Mission that Delia Kajreda Koralia, Samba Kajeva. Ding as you have already gets him to Shadi Gari. The ditch Hako Twane, Mazu Kajredaji, Zawa Jebi Mina, and Purubutelia, Gongo Yevi Zawasan and Rando. Yana, Unet and Pendo Yevi Zawa Chato Mother. 现在苏苏早的苏苏的，大概的是个说让对的这边也对不对？苏苏 desire 对不对？这边也对不对？这个指标的早我们那是差不多嘛的上不了是真的有是。
I think when I'm talking about love here, what I mean with love here is not just something, it's not just understanding, it's not just knowing, but it's a feeling. And if I use compassion as an example, when we think about compassion, it's not just a feeling of empathy for other people or understanding where they come from. Compassion actually has a much stronger power than that, and it's not merely understanding. It's like dedicating yourself for the other person's sake, for their benefit, not just thinking of it as something for yourself or leaving it on the level, leaving it on a mental level, but bring it down into the level of the heart and having a feeling for it. And so thinking to yourself that for that person's sake, I will do something. I will dedicate myself to do something for that person's suffering. And so this is not just an understanding. Often we think that the other person is there, here, and then we're over there, and there's a gap between them. And it's not that. Rather, it's what we actually need is to really put ourselves in the other person's place, put ourselves in their shoes, and think, what is it that we can actually do? What do they really need? What is it that we can actually do for the benefit of that other person who's suffering, for that other person for whom we have compassion? And so compassion is not something that we do merely to make a show of ourselves being important or merely to make a show of our feelings or emotion. Rather, we need to think about what is it that the other person needs. what is appropriate for that other person. And once we know that, then we will be able to have compassion that will actually be able to help protect the other person, or that will be able to benefit them. Other than that, I really don't think that our compassion or love or affection would really truly become love and affection. I believe your question was, can you explain something about self-purification? Is that correct?
Self-purification? What that mean? Purification, like shakwa jang sort of 다 텔레양에 그 야부체 뭐 쓰면 다 가르마다지 추루 사면 안올려야지 샤중을 해야 돼 개침을지 지대가를 제가 근데 지금 삼로 땅이야 지금 땅면으로 이내양에 뒤지 가르쳐서나 양지 뜻을지 가르쳐서나 아주 impermanent and 유한주의였지 기시가래 제가 뒤 개침을 시작하면서 송유 배나 아주다 가두 임비네 배나 지 유한주의를 까마까마체지 아니 pero ngasu subu de kama chene relation ko tuzun drawn and again ru ore ma do nimachile ya hope kal gen ru ma che za ka sha ngama de da chima de ni ko yuan ro de ya de tin yuan ru ye yin za ti yun sa de ne ngasu de yuan ru ye de ha ko che che su su moment 상월로 고급지 바 배나 kama kashi ngel ya su su 배나 mi du ja ru ji yin bi ne ya kama kashi je le ya ana ko mi sangbachi yuwa toa 고급 예비치 당 투주 예비치 samar ta de cha de yare 제가 di gyunzen de ne azu ngebar do misis yadi and moment to moment samar we karshe de de and misis ji be du she che and azu misis sabaji misis sambaji kya 투주 di kamar rishin yong de ye ba 투주 sab 고급 sab yong de ye di azu ha ko che mi na 직세나 아주 미사바지 미상고 섬으로에 이지미지 아주 대베 내줄 때네 아니 다대기 소술이야 드시게고야 쳐가 말에 그 미사바지 당 가르카사 사브를 지초가 알아서 something 데릭 우마디 장리야 마네비체제 체인지 직세도나 아버야 알아서 something 우마가 내다저로 미도자를 좀 다른 인심이 내고 말아 체인지도 There was something wrong.
I'm not certain I understand exactly what you mean by this question, but in many religious traditions we do talk about confession and purification. But rather, I think instead of talking about that, I think one way to look at this is to remember that we are all impermanent, that we're all transient, and that we are always changing. It is important to remember that we are always changing. We are changing from moment to moment. Every moment we are changing and can become something else. Like when we grow old, it's by minute that we grow older. It's not as if someday all of a sudden we're going to become old and elderly. That's not how it happens. You're changing in every moment, every instant by instant, everything's changing. And if we understand that, then in each moment we can see that we have an opportunity. For example, in one moment you might be a bad person and do bad things, but then a few moments later you have the opportunity to be a good person at that point. And so it's important to remember that our lives go by instant, second by second. Our lives are going by, and in every single instant we have the opportunity to be a good person and to become a good person. And if we understand that, then we can take these opportunities to become a new person, to become a good person. It's not necessary for us to stay in the same way that we have been in the past. So when we're talking about how we've been as a person, how we've been as an individual, there's no reason that we have to stay stuck the same way that we have been. But we can see that in each moment we have an opportunity.
Maybe there. One down there. Okay. No. How long we have
As long as you
as long as we
I don't know if I should be asking this or not, but just as a curious teenager, does one need to give up on everything for the bird's path? I mean, we can be with our families, we have children and enjoy the moments with them, and yet be compassionate towards others and be selfless and, be good and follow God's advice. Thank you.
대 녀와도 여러 삼층이스 아주 단 남주 세수를 저르데 보디사트와 스페나 남 보디사트와 직 전주 셈바 셈쟁이 셴드 코나 쳔게 다가다 셈쟁이 셴드 쳔게 액티비스트 다 대주 마체 에네 김배기 때는 연구 어렸어요 가르스나 김배 때는 충분히 셈쟁이 셴게 된차 셈쟁이 망부스는 저바차도 예비 인상 된차 고거 망가 어렸어 근데 인도스탄에 예바르도 가르스다 라바 딘사 뒤주리 짐비나 탐제 방 로사데 오늘 저는 디스카 웬바르 사데 그 디주데 디사베 뇽 주고 알았어 사자 같이 비네 웬베네르 짐비나 가발레 연거래 모바일레 연거 메시지레 연거 인도스탄에 다 데 강가 메시지리아 로스네 다지 디지안지 가르에 나와면 로르체 인도스탄에 조조디 spiritual practice that zo de 간다 소수기 녀는 유 가르섬 당거 알았으나 아주 취해서데 인 shrine room 나로 마샤브지 취해디 녀바도 소수변 레가체스 당 안랍드단 데 나로래 아키고도 스타키고도 시두스단에 베직 취 object 디수키슈스 와마네 조디 취 삼바선다 취해서나 마선 조 지소수기 간다 뜻수는지 삼동단는지 당 특시는지 대래 셴버 주비 취스게 아마 리두산에 진짜게 다 간다 취기 탑럼디스 배주 당시 수수 미진한기 아니 강에도 세트 배주 셰비나 디고네 전에 취처거 마다베 아니 릴리지 교친 리체야데 타지도 취 양다바를 셰동마르스 리두산에 인지미지 취해서야지 그런 의외 니즈를 간다르티 가서디 exercise 의외 니즈를 봐 가지고 강의를 페이스북 exercise야 근데 지레마도 취해서야지 즉 테라피인도 즉 spiritual massage 즉 딱 간다 기부르데 가시에 즉 종견하는 강의를 준비하는 지 맨날 멤버를 친지데 니마 가시 듀라지 가서 르르 대야 되지고들이 많아 something use exercise 망민은 망민나는 무슨 이유 배주 땅 참다 엄청 제고요 봐
I think that you have to do it, as you say. What we usually talk about in the Buddha Dharma is we talk about bodhisattvas. Bodhisattvas are like activists who are devoting themselves solely to work for other sentient beings. And so for that reason, most of them are householders, they're lay people. The reason why they're lay people and have households is because there are more opportunities for them to actually make connections with other sentient beings. Especially in this day and age. If you said that you have to give up everything and go to some isolated place. You couldn't get there because no matter where you go, the mobile phone is still going to ring, messages are going to come, emails are going to still arise. And so there's really no place that you can actually do this. So I think what's primary here, what I usually say is the most important thing is that Dharma is not something that you just practice in a shrine someplace. You don't just leave it there. It's something that you need to bring with you to your job. It's something you need to bring with you to school. It's something that you have to bring and make as part of your mind. So the Dharma is actually, it's a set of methods. It's something that you do with yourself that you need to practice so that you can bring it into your entire life and put it to use. And so when you encounter the situations in your daily life, you can actually do it. So it's not necessary that you need to go up to some mountain place and do that. It's like we actually need to do training and exercises in the actual situations of our lives. Just like a soldier needs to do the army training, we need to do the spiritual training in the actual situations of our lives so that when we encounter obstacles, we are able to deal with them. And so sometimes we might think of it as being like some sort of a therapy or something where, we have a busy life in the city and then we want to do some Dharma, and so we go to some isolated place for a week or two and relax a little bit. But that is not real Dharma.
Why do you think we as a society find it so hard to feel compassion every day?
Is compassion at the last part?
At an everyday level, on a daily basis.
Oh, that's it.
Why do we as a society find it so hard to feel compassion?
남중에 메시지나 가서 니제 제 칼 가비는 주체.
어디 가르라. 니제 가라 가위 교세. 직장은 아주 니시아 남경 아주 얘기 인지 고야사들이야. 가도에는 니지 고메는 디스가 expectation을 비교하거든. 지금 지 파직 전에 그 안에 아버지 손아 에너지 수수 니지들이야. 린탕 예버지. 대 마셔봐도 수수 니지 고메는 될라. 가 린탕 예버서 차로. 이내야 오늘 저는 니지사디 얘는 뷰티스기어래. 그러나 아주 남시 장외 예배가를 나고래야 지키야요. 잡아서야지. 텐더지 소소소소 죄 쿠주고 랑해야 가서 니지르지 소소리야 웜 리서치 소소소소리야 에너지 디기르 비테트 드리지 고로 마다베 엔 미션다 액셉트 마지 지보면 봐 간다 소수 파트야디 넘버 타고 제빈자 대코라랑기 소수 이츠브르 제당 소수 로데와지 드리지 충분히미나 개심물에 마다베 남기 expectation 예빈 데네 미상으로 아니 가서래 아주 사면은 시상부터 말들이 일산에 expectation 예비나 아니 아주 컨트롤에 something years 일산 아주 expectation 매대비지 가다 인지르지 과드지 트레이닝 과드 개심물이 좀 something 다
When we talk about meditating upon compassion or devoting ourselves to compassion, I think we often have an expectation for the compassion. We think that if I do something good for something else, something beneficial for others, if I do something that is going to help the others, then that compassion is valuable compassion. And if my compassion doesn't actually do something to benefit the other, then we feel as if that compassion has no value. And so we feel that if other people do not accept our compassion, then we feel as if our compassion has no real value. And so the reason I'm saying this is it's like our compassion has to be like a hand warmer. You know these things you can get, you hold in your hands to warm up your hands in the cold weather. So like our compassion is actually something that needs to warm ourselves. It's something that that needs to bring happiness to ourselves. And it's not so important whether or not it actually benefits the other person. So it's important for us to be satisfied with having a pure mind of our own and being able to bring happiness to ourselves and not have so many other expectations. And so we shouldn't just expect, if we have an expectation that others are going to accept our compassion and deal with it, if they do not accept it, we have this feeling that we might be disappointed. But what we actually need is to have compassion that is free of expectations.
Can I add something? It's okay. No problem. No need to add something.
Do you want to add something?
No, it's okay.
Yes, please do.
Really?
Yeah, please.
Add something.
Add
Can
something.
I add something that when compassion that the business that came out of business in Bina and the mission that when it Yoroma and Mazative Duro mission that attractive Majuna Mazative Dure. Even the compassion that Majunum you've been creative some of it. Socialia energy Zidu Dembezi when remote Kasweda Zamlin to Duya. Penang Puchu Jigi, Korang Jimuni Jibri Tije, Korang Jimudelia and Korang Bekarwe, Debar Simje, Tig Zidu Digi, Koranlia Digi Digare. Ina Mi Gabachi, Jimutingi Cabachi Devina, Kurjimudi Chachoski, Gimane. Yibina Koran Digi Digare, Koranlia Kasweda, different beautiful world. Just as you tell creation Jaguadi. The business that was changing nearby the day, just a coin your roach and a coin man and a pesar or something. This sometimes it is no disrespect or something else.
It's important that we remember.
Maybe off there one.
It's important that we remember that compassion is not a business. It's not as if, that we have this business of compassion and we have something to sell. When you have a business, you have to make a product that's attractive to other people, and if they don't buy it, then you're going to go bankrupt. But with compassion, instead, we should view it as like a creative activity. It's something that we're doing for ourselves, for beauty, for the sake of beauty in the world. Can you all hear me and understand? It's okay. And so it's like when you have a little child who makes a drawing. They draw something they're really happy with, they're satisfied, and they think it's really beautiful. Of course, if you compare it to what a professional artist, an adult professional artist would draw, of course, there is no comparison. But for that child, it is something beautiful and something satisfying. And so I think that we should also view our compassion as being like this sort of creative activity, rather than being like a business where we think, well, if I give something, that they're going to take it and they're going to give me something back.
What's the sound from?
This sound, I'm trying to get it.
See,
I think to talk. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, please, Chike, can you be loud?
Yeah. I know by now you
I don't need you. Don't need.
taking many questions.
Okay.
But the more you get stressed out, I got really motivated to ask more questions. So I have 3 straightforward and simple questions.
3.
3.
Okay.
1.
Okay.
We talk about reincarnation, right? And my question is like this. What is your vision? What is your vision of your next
That one.
incarnation?
Can you give me that? Yes. Yes.
My first question is, what is
Give me
your
that.
vision of your next reincarnation?
Yes.
Second is, do you believe personally in heart, mind, and soul in reincarnation? And my third question is, what is your understanding of life and death? Thank you.
Okay. 다 당부되냐? 겨왕아마 인게다. 치마. 마음바. 마음바라 가르쳐를 가르쳐 미세기 미세 다 간시아스 게임도데 겨아침에 거는 게 가르쳐오는데 지당기 에네 녜네 안랑기 가르쳐데 선이 가르쳐 시에다 야면은 겨아침에서 시규 this 저바체 아까라 감시하래 something is 아니버다 가래
니버드 가서 지난 기억 아시 가서 네 파트너 소스
다 지당기 닝사的呢我最能比参照시스템리아 닝스 비슷한 다가다 남시다 시스템다 이다 남시 숨부 둔지 되고 왔다 이제 삼단 두면로네 solve something membership 되고 왔다 이제 스미 남시 숨 둔지레스 다 숨바되는 깨와다 치워사디 진치사디我不탐지의 그 정신이 되고 와래 되는 주스탄에 나주기 에너지 진치긴 지거스 진치디 코랑 우유기 니수 교화를 차대 요래 이미 내가 가솔이야 동해 친구 영화디 아주 미디 no longer so 가수 natural part of natural 근데 이미 인상 아주 넘버 더 먹고 예비 인상 디 윤선 때는 아주 진진 지과 흉체를 비용하디 요래 세상 아주 naturally accept 제토비 이미나 안다 동해 뉴드라지 대양변나 니마지 고쇼리아 미지진 베삼다지 셔베야 런두산에 안에 기여바 공다마니 두산에 시기여바 드레 삼다데 그리그레 바주에 드레 삼다지 온디 아레스 드레 두산 드레제다 뭐
So with regard to your first question, what about what I will do in my next life, I don't know how to answer this question. I sometimes don't even know what I'm going to do tomorrow, much less my own next life, so it's very difficult to actually say anything about a future life. In terms of your second question about talking about the heart, mind, and soul and how I view these in terms of reincarnation, generally we often say that the consciousness, the mind, the heart are all the same. And I think that we can consider that the soul is like an aspect of consciousness. And so I think that they just progress together. Now, their third question about life and death is that often we are very afraid of these. But actually, life and death, birth and death are just a part of the nature of things.
깨가르던 거 오늘 진 대딩 대 당고 버스 깨가르다마 쉬어들라야 celebrate 제고
Okay.
지거를 신 깨월 가고에는 신라 가고요 거라
And so we have a lot of fixation upon birth and death, but actually these are just a part of the nature of how things are. The reason why we suffer about death is because we aren't able to accept how things are, and we have a fear, and so for that reason we have a fear about birth and death. But I think if we are able to accept these as a natural part of our lives, then that will decrease the amount of suffering. Because there's one way that we can meditate upon this. We can think that in a single day we go through an entire lifetime. When we wake up in the morning, that is our birth. And then when we go to sleep at night, that is our death. And if we do this day after day, then we'll get more used to the idea of dying. Actually, it's like we celebrate our birthdays all the time, but so if we celebrate our birthdays, then in the same way we should actually celebrate our death days, because the moment that you're born, then you're going to die. And so if we're joyful about birth, then we need to be joyful about death as well.
Maybe last three questions. One there. Okay, please.
I'd like to ask you about your experience of meditation.
Meditation.
Yeah. So first would be, what does meditation mean to you? Second, in your practice of meditation, are you able to experience states of silence, or at least some some kind of peace and sort of going to it's silence.
Okay. Okay.
And so basically that.
Okay. Experience. Okay.
States of meditation.
Nghe thì có mà mới sai kiếm mà xuống busy in the formal có mà sai kiếm mà xuống因为呢常常去搞出来 busy in 被搞了呀搞出来的是搞出来他基本嘛天了呀就sem呢呀特别是这个因为开始学的搞来是呢我这个 sem 的我지는 검자한테 가라 하고 싶어요. 요 말에 something is. 가라서나. 검자한테 가라서나. 아니 검자 같이 강에 지어할 때 가라서나. 코랑 깔래 카타네. 깔래 하고 유엔에 많이 봐. 나수 take it easy 슬라나. 나수 딕지야 가서 나수 딕지 easy 많이 배지 가서 차로 저 방아지 남기 근데 커버 게두스다네. 안 저한테 룰루치 데스는 안 차고 차는고 근데 디소르체체 안 룰루치 데스는 아주 차고 차는 거래 그래서 아주 쥐어마르지 검타 취장 디균세 때에 검배왕게 아주 가서 내라 보면 차는 거마다 제가 갈레스케 요마르스도 이내 네 삼리아 네 천하지 가르쳐야 있잖아 아주 남주인지 happiness 세두스단에 그도 있는 지 소소를 매대비지 아니 최고야지 다음에 소설 다다 해야 되는데 멋지지 텔레 하버지당 텔레베 야가를 치고 하는데 그렇지가 않아 이번에 오늘 전에기 하비니스야 들은 여러 사버지 다 드제지 가서에 망보지고 하면 이부치 소설이야 다 강요해 버들이야 아주 삼려야 없다 통나 오늘 전에 소설 대화디 소설도 냠도 해야 되지 디기사 소설 냠도 해야 되지 전화 연구 빼나 배는 아주 거두이네 지 우던 거 아래 네 아주 미세 도나스게 지어만 예배네 아주 우당 주산 텔레양 아주 셈디마 냠버 샤세 소소 우던 게 예배디 텔레야 아주 초두산에 갑디두산 게 소소 가르삼당 것은 소소다 우당네 옥시즌 사드 소소 대야 아니 지 규게 마음버지 좀을 때네 토비아래 대안은 아주 발음하셔야 비치는 무튼 땅고 아래 진지지기 가르쳐 cause and condition 땡 아주 기 강에 기업는 매주 제대로 먹어 봐 전신준도 유해되디 amazing 루치 차디 아래 제가 대지불을 지상으로 스타체 디 테스트도 제비입니다 소송문에 전에 다다란지 디기 나려야 초디여디 전화로 되게 성도 인도산 근데 좀이나 church in a state of 가르쳐다지 silence and adore and it's same 르르차 가두이네지 다 토구민도 위신 퐁베 셈리야 가두이네 퐁베기 삼바데 매버체 and 내가 심버르지 온 토르 something else
I actually don't often have much of an opportunity to practice meditation. I'm very busy, and so so I haven't had many chances to do much formal meditation. Yet even while I'm busy, sometimes I try to find ways where even at that very moment that I'm busy, I can find a way for my mind to rest. And I think when I think about this, the most important thing here is that the mind is, the reason we have difficulty with it is actually it's not too difficult for us to meditate. The reason why meditation is difficult is not that it's too difficult, but instead that it is too easy. When someone says, take it easy, relax, then what is our natural reaction? We'll be like, okay, I've got to do something to relax and take it easy. Someone says, I'm going to give you a shot, so just relax. You get even more tense at that point. And so the reason is that we think that when we relax that we need to contrive it or make it happen somehow. Actually, there's nothing that we need to do. It's not, there's nothing different that we need to do. There's really nothing difficult about doing meditation. And so my feeling is that we feel like when we want to bring ourselves happiness, we feel like we need to get happiness that we don't already have. We need to get something that we lack. And we are just not satisfied with what we actually have. We think we need something bigger and something better than what we have. But that is not how happiness can actually come. Actually, if we can recognize what it is that we have within ourselves, then that enough is enough to make us happy. Like we could think about breathing. If we think about breathing, we're breathing all the time. And if we could just let our mind rest evenly within that, then with each breath we're taking in, we are bringing oxygen into our bodies. And when we think about how that oxygen comes, there are so many different causes and conditions that bring that oxygen to us. And yet we do not have to do anything for it. It's natural. It just automatically happens. So this is something that is really actually quite amazing. So if we just think about this one thing, then I think we can find satisfaction within this. And so this is I think how we need to feel the happiness that is already present within ourselves. And if we can do this, I think in one aspect of this, that we can find a way to rest within this and relax within that state of satisfaction. And as we do this, this feeling can grow deeper and deeper, and then we will be able to find satisfaction with that happiness. And so I think this is what you can mean by the feeling of silence.
Your emotions, do they come out more when you are engaging in this activity? And secondly, we as therapists are always working with emotions. And there are some people who experience a lot of emotions, and there's some difficulty in having safe emotions. And then in my mind the thought comes that the task is to achieve moderation. But no one tells us as to how to reach that point by which someone is experiencing too much and somebody who cannot. How do we help them to reach that point of moderation?
In her experience of listening to this today, many of the questions are about emotions, and yet Your Holiness's emotions seem very subdued or very diffused in this. In terms of they're not, you don't have as much emotion in your responses. And so in terms of working as a therapist, many of them are studying as therapists. Many people have sort of excessive emotions and they're not able to do them. Some people don't have quite enough. And so how is it that people can find a moderate balance of emotions in their lives?
To dealing with emotions, negative, disturbing emotions. They are dealing with over the years, dealing temple chi me bi insan cho ni ru cha che party ru ni cha yun du sa ne ka du yin bi ne a energy ka shwe temple ru cha yung go ma ne di gyun se de ne ka nge ru cha de chi yong de go de du sa ne nga zu ta de le ya pa na emotional negative da na positive ni yong de ga re yin ya de du sa ting ni le ya ka shwe chi balance che wa de 타지도 안에 네거티브 원교 월 마심지 단 도나지 소수 셈그 간다 녀몽 봤어 말에 디 원교 월 마심지제 소수기 남지 토안에 안에 삼동과 다 드리지 아주 또 제리 알았다 디 람상 아주 까마카시 지나다 시에트야스게 요만에 이번에 개치 휴지 가르쳐야 어르스나 안에 가수다 아주 셈리아 소소소소기 셈리아 즉 죄 때문에 소소소리아 가수래 가수다 숨겹 세난다 소소소리아 전디브를 제제 안데 내가 돈에 간다 지 가수래 아주 셈게 난게 다다 용진 사회에디 시와 제과디 다디 소소기 decision chamber 고우면서 선물지 decision may make a decision.
In the practice of Buddhist meditation, we talk a lot about dealing with emotions. And when we talk about dealing with emotions, we particularly mean dealing with negative emotions or disturbing emotions. And so we consider this extremely important. Dealing with emotions is a very important aspect. We often we might feel like we're disappointed about not getting something. We might feel excited about getting something. But the most important thing is that sometimes our minds are not stable. It feels as like we've got sort of two halves or two parties within our minds. And so because of that, it becomes very difficult for us to find stability in our mind. We have to...
Bena nye digo chevina. Bena kondre gor chevina. Bena kondre gor chevina sometimes kondre gi gyön르지 대신가래. 이래야 참참 그 타지도 gyön이 마신데 아니 참참 그 제수랑에로 참참 그 도초로 진행 소식. 네 인도산에 디 규제 때는 아주 세미나로야지 컨트롤 잡여 진행지 잡여 미제년으로 니르 지에 소식. 네 인도산에 타마텔리아 소수 가르치기 위해서 네버도 소수 타주 지에네. 소수가 왕체르디 가르를 되게 봐. 다디 타주 세고야지 당. 다가나신 아주기 전시 바이오사디 개점을 차디요. 데니루산 니머를 신도 소소소리아 구자지 셈리아 구자지. 난 도나지 셈기 레가디 아주 넘기 가수에 다가스 전시 비wan 마담지 소수기 강주네 셈리아 레가 구고야디 다 개점을 지 차디요 성도스. 마더베 셈 코랑 가완로도 땅샤비나 SMD bena karso budu jana si ko wandu don tangshan an nimachili SMD karsoe da land ro somana da SMD cholar chinche an susu khala ma nyebru chi de ji yondi yare de industry ji miji tudan tusu an SMD lia susu contact che gwa ji dang de de nyam ge she gwa ji dang da na ji de su ge che gwa de ke sim cha.
It's like if we talk about anger, normally we think of anger as being a problem, as being a fault. But it's not always that way. Sometimes we sort of feel like anger is a fault, but sometimes there's a part of us that is the opposite of that sees it as being good. And so within our minds, it's like we've got two halves or two groups there. There's the anger supporters, the partisans of anger, and the opponents of anger. And so we need to make a decision ourselves. We need to take control of it ourselves and decide whom is it that we are actually going to give the power. And so for this, our mindfulness and our awareness and carefulness are extremely important, and we need to take control of our lives and of our minds in every moment and in every day of our lives. It's not just something where we can let our mind go anywhere it wants to go. If we were to let our mind go and do everything that it wanted to do, then it would be just like a little child whom we spoiled by letting the child do everything that it wanted to do. Eventually, your mind would never listen to anything that you asked it to do. It wouldn't do anything. And so, for that reason, it's important for us to be able to take control of our minds and put it to work. And so, to do this, we need to discuss things with our minds and talk about our minds.
Stop. Last one. This one. Which one?
Which one? Any,
This one.
This one.
Blue. Yeah, you. Yes.
So, you talked about an integration between the self and the other, in which you define this concept of compassion and how it is important for us as the self to be able to be in the other's shoes to understand that perspective. Right? So let us say there's a given situation in which the other fails to understand the self's perspective. Right? And I mean, of course, compassion is not something that we think about in terms of a business, as you said, right? A give and take relationship. So, but if in this situation, it can be a powerful deterrence for our compassion, right? In this situation. So, what is the larger principle that we must believe in order to, keep us going? I mean, I can think about two things, that either we negate the other or we negate the self. But I think there must be a larger principle involved that I want to know. So, if you could shed some light on that.
其他的呢，看说当时呢，你这个是的，后来呢，其他的所是这个你先给国家的可能是援助不到是的，送的，那这考出来，那考虑差的，是你现在这个其实那开的呢，这个人考的这个开的呢，这道差呢，样呢大的考是还不说是那帮过的，像那现在帮过的，就是那样呢，这明白个的。他拖着这东西用的。
lapsen chebi na ane pachi karwe ta shenduen khona saji kisi share yaris ta ibne dile example ru chebi na pena susu khambale merb sho susu khambale me sho indusane an me sho wa thoma ta lamsan ane ji me sho la ta ni an chilo thön ru wa chilo thön dusane ane goza le dusane kamba ye ji chilo sha chao ji kamba ye chilo ma sha poru de ya ko kar temble na ane ji na le ya su na le ya ane ji bi kar sa phama da budget zu ye ba chen chen e ko yang ga ya chin chen ba shui da pa phama da budget ja wa chin bu de sa ji de ni sa da na xin ma zu kamba ni ji di su su tun da le ya zu ji di xian da tun da le zu de ni sa da de kar so sa na rab chung na ane xian de rang le za che zi wo res number tang bu de xian xia wo res de me chung bu yin ya rang da xian nyam ba sa de rang de wan de ben xin xian ya de wan de yo le rang dong ye min de ben xin xian ya dong ye de yo ma le de ni ju sa ne di du gu chuo ye ba de nga zu accept che gua tang len che gua chi ignore mi che ya chi be na nga zu ji be na ji tham sa be ni chicken de se che du sa ne be dizu langal produsane chicken mangbo are kasrodi motor chuji na duni ton dusane and kasroe mazu dizule didu ku soa yebrchi samo khogwaji rin dusane rab chuna dashin jewas dusane shinda ga che de soso le dong cha ro ji da da ga number 1 de xian xia wo de ma chung bu yin bi na nga zu 지구에 있는지 뉴시에 송과를 계속 시작해. 나중에 또 삼다디 가다 similar ready 되지 understand 되지 과 아주 니마치 나로래야 심지 탐지래야 팬도 쳇도마네 이미냥 아주 근데 아이디를 지역이미나 수술이야 팬도 치아 고급 준비급이야 에는 아주 여기 팬도 치 지그레 something use 레이비스나 디규제 되네 상로직 다시 냠비 som동아데 계속 주면서
So the most vast way we could think of this is to only act for others' benefit. But maybe if we give an example of this, it's like you have a house, and when the house catches fire, and as soon as you see the fire, you're frightened by the fire, and you run to escape and go outside. When you get to the doorstep, you've put 1 foot over the threshold, you've got 1 foot outside, 1 foot inside, and at that moment you remember, oh, my parents, my brothers and sisters, and everyone is inside. So you've got 1 foot outside and 1 foot inside. And then at that the point, you'll maybe remembering your parents and your siblings, you'll be able to go back inside and protect them. And so it's similarly when we have when we talk about compassion, it's like we've got 1 foot that's outside. 1 foot is thinking of our own needs, and the other is thinking of others' needs. The best is if we can put others' needs as more important than ourselves. Consider our front foot is the foot that moves. The best is if the front foot is the foot that moves towards helping others, putting other people as more important than ourselves. But if we are unable to do that, if we can at least think of ourselves and others as being equal, just as we want to be happy, others also want to be happy. Just as we do not want to suffer, others also do not want to suffer. Now, in order to do this, it's important that we accept happiness and suffering. If we cannot just ignore pleasure and pain or happiness and suffering. It's like when we see chickens that are on their way to be slaughtered. If you're driving down the road, you see a small truck with cages filled with chickens in the back. And if you can think about what sort of experience of happiness or of pain those chickens feel. So in this way, we need the best is if we are able to exchange ourselves for others and consider others as more important than ourselves. But if we are not able to do that, then at least it's important for us to consider others as being equally important to ourselves, and to practice this. And we need to get our minds ready to do this. It's not as if in a single day you'll be able to all of a sudden become able to help all sentient beings. But if we have this idea in mind and gradually train in it, then eventually we will come to the point where when we have the opportunity, we will be able to do something that is of benefit. And so for that reason, I think it is important for us to train in the equality of self and others.
Thank you.